You're welcome back. This is NewsFile, it's your most authoritative news analysis platform. And here on NewsFile, we put Ghana first. And this is your legal light. Anyenini Legal Light. New law. Nudity. Get foolish. Get 25 years in jail. There is a new law in town. And please be informed that you risk hefty monetary fines of 30 to 60,000 or 5, 10 to 15 or 25 years in prison for acting silly. Yes, acting silly and foolish. What else is it but foolishness when people take and publish nude or indecent images of children? Some take that of their sexual partners and publish or threaten to circulate them. Blackmail. Well, you have heard me criticize the Cybersecurity Bill 2020 as containing same concerns we expressed about the Interception or Spy Bill the NDC sought to pass in 2016. This must be a lucky government. All the organizations and individuals who joined in that war that forced it to be reviewed and eventually shelved have been in deep sleep, in a coma. Remember President Akufo-Addo, the NPP joined the telcos, the Ghana Bar Association, etc., to kick against the spy bill? So, the very things we protested, including that dangerous backdoor approach to invade privacy without recourse to or supervision of the court, is now law in this Cybersecurity Act 2020. This time, hefty sanctions, including fines of up to 240,000 Ghana cedis, plus 5-year jail, await those who will breach it, including telcos and their CEOs. Telcos are still to install interception capabilities at their own cost. One of the things we kicked against, and the telcos chamber led the fight. To do so at their own cost, to be able to enforce information requests by the president's appointee or interception warrants procured ex parte by the police, if their equipment is found to be controlled or monitored or capable of being monitored in a foreign country, a service provider or their CEO, deputy CEO, legal officer or finance officer suffer the criminal punishment of 120 to 240,000 in fines. I may deal with that another time, but my joy today is about the law's protection for especially girls and women against taking and circulating or publishing indecent images. Doing so for whatever purposes, including porn activity online, attracts between 30 to 60,000 Ghana cedis or plus a fine of plus jail terms of 5 to 10 years. The law punishes cyber activities involving sexual abuse of children and adults, including child grooming for sexual abuse or aiding and abetting same, or cyber stalking of a child, with 5 to 15 years in jail. A threat, in fact, you may get 10 to 15 years in jail. A threat to circulate indecent image or so as to get cash from victims, blackmailing people you may have had sexual intercourse with, which is sexual extortion, attracts 10 to 25 years in jail. And non-consensual sharing of intimate images, as well as threats to distribute intimate images or videos or video recordings, will get you 1 to 3 years in jail. You have been informed. Ignorance of the law is no excuse. That's your legal light. And NewsFile is brought to you by the candid sponsorship of Bank of Africa, as strong as a group, as close as a partner. MTN, everywhere you go. Ashesi University, educating ethical and entrepreneurial leaders for Africa. Duraplast, where Duraplast goes, water flows. Heaven, mosquito spray and coil. Pleasant on humans, tough nightmare on insects. And Napa Foods, it is tasty. DBS Industries, Robert & Sons Limited Optical Services, your comprehensive eye care services provider. We'll be right back to share with you when you are likely to get a COVID-19 vaccine jab.